Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. If you're in the market for a compact yet capable camper van, the 2026 Honda camper van might just be what you're looking for. Blending Honda's signature reliability with practical design and modern features, this van is aimed at adventure seekers, road trippers, and digital nomads alike. It's not trying to be a luxury RV, but what it offers in terms of efficiency, versatility, and clever use of space sets it apart in the growing camper van segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Honda camper van has a clean, contemporary look with smooth lines and a slightly boxy silhouette that maximizes interior space. It's built on Honda's redesigned mid-sized van platform, likely based on the Odyssey or Step WGN chassis, but with modifications for camping use. At just under 18 feet long, it's easy to drive and park, even in tighter urban environments. Honda has clearly prioritized maneuverability without sacrificing too much interior comfort. The ground clearance has also been slightly raised compared to the base van model, giving it some light off-road capability for those who want to venture a bit off the beaten path. One of the first things you'll notice is the integrated pop-up roof, which expands upward to create standing room and a sleeping loft. This feature is available on most trims and comes with a mesh screen for ventilation and insect protection. When deployed, the pop-up roof allows adults to stand comfortably inside the van and even accommodates a second sleeping area, ideal for kids or a guest. For solo travelers or couples, this configuration turns the van into a surprisingly roomy mobile home. Moving inside, Honda has done a fantastic job with space optimization. The interior features a convertible seating area that transforms into a double bed, with memory foam cushions and easy-to-clean fabric. During the day, the space functions as a compact lounge or dining area with a swiveling table. Honda also includes plenty of built-in storage compartments under the seats and along the walls, perfect for stashing away camping gear, clothing, and supplies. The kitchenette is another highlight. It includes a small refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink with a water filtration system, and a 12-volt microwave, compact, yes, but very usable. The design is modular, with pull-out shelves and clever storage for utensils and ingredients. There's also an optional slide-out kitchenette in the rear cargo area for outdoor cooking, which is perfect for campsite grilling or tailgating. The van's freshwater tank holds around 20 gallons, and the greywater tank is easy to empty at standard dump stations. One of the standout features is the electrical system. Honda has outfitted the camper van with a solar charging array on the pop-up roof, feeding a 3 kWh lithium-ion house battery. Combined with a dual alternator setup, this means you can stay off-grid for several days without worry. USB-C ports, AC outlets, and wireless charging pads are placed throughout the cabin, ensuring all your devices stay powered. An integrated touchscreen control panel lets you monitor battery levels, tank capacities, and temperature settings, with optional app connectivity for remote control. In terms of performance, the 2026 Honda camper van comes with a 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain, likely borrowed from the CR-V or Accord hybrid models. It puts out around 200 horsepower and offers impressive fuel efficiency for a camper van, averaging 30 to 35 miles per gallon depending on load and terrain. That's far better than most traditional RVs or even many full-sized vans. The hybrid setup also contributes to quieter operation and a smoother ride, especially appreciated during long-distance drives. Handling-wise, the van benefits from Honda's well-tuned suspension and responsive steering. It feels planted on highways and nimble in city traffic, which is often a weak point for larger camper builds. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert come standard on most trims. For those wanting more rugged capability, there's also an optional all-wheel drive version that adds a bit of extra grip on gravel roads and snowy conditions. Climate control is another area where the Honda camper van shines. With a high-efficiency electric heat pump system, you get both heating and cooling without needing to run the engine. Combined with excellent insulation and low E-glass windows, this camper stays comfortable in a wide range of climates. Optional features like thermal blackout curtains, roof-mounted fan vents, and window screens enhance the experience even further. As for entertainment and connectivity, Honda offers a built-in infotainment system with an 8 or 10-inch touchscreen, depending on the trim. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and includes built-in GPS optimized for RV routes and campground PWA. A high-gain LTE antenna and optional Starlink satellite internet receiver allow for decent connectivity even in remote areas, which is ideal for remote workers or digital nomads. Bluetooth speakers are integrated into the ceiling and doors, creating a surprisingly rich sound experience for such a small space. Another thoughtful touch is the rear gear garage. This area, accessible from the back doors, provides a dedicated space for bikes, camping chairs, tools, or outdoor equipment. There are also utility hooks, tie-downs, and even an optional pull-out tray for easy access. Honda offers a roof rack system as well, capable of supporting kayaks, storage pods, or a rooftop tent for additional sleeping capacity. When it comes to pricing, Honda has positioned the camper van competitively. The base model starts around $48,000, which includes the basic camper conversion, pop-top roof, and hybrid powertrain. Fully loaded models can go up to $62,000 with AWD, solar power, internet, and upgraded kitchen features. That's still significantly cheaper than many custom van conversions, and you get Honda's build quality and dealer support. In terms of downsides, the compact size means you'll need to be strategic with storage and not overpack. There's also no built-in bathroom or shower in most trims, although Honda offers a rear-mounted shower tent and portable toilet as add-ons. For some buyers, that's a deal-breaker, but for others who frequent campgrounds or don't mind roughing it a bit, it's a small sacrifice for the convenience and mobility the van offers. In summary, the 2026 Honda camper van is a well-balanced, efficient, and thoughtfully designed option for anyone looking to get into van life without spending a fortune. It's perfect for weekend warriors, road trippers, and even long-term travelers who want something compact, capable, and easy to live with. Honda has clearly done their homework, delivering a camper that blends innovation with real-world practicality. Whether you're chasing sunsets, national parks, or just need a mobile office with a view, the Honda camper van makes it easier than ever to hit the road and stay there.